my name is Aki Fukuoka, illustrator of Bluey Brown. Today I thought I would show you how to draw butterflies. Get your pencil and paper and let's get started. We shall start off with the butterfly's head. Draw a small circle and let's try to get it around the middle of the page. Then we draw two long lines coming out from beneath the head. Then we join those lines with a curve to close it off. Now we have the butterfly's body. Then we move on to the wings. We draw a big bump coming out from one side of the body. Then we try to match that shape on the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see my ones are lopsided. Then we draw two smaller bumps underneath. Now we have butterfly's wings. Then we draw two black circles for the eyes. Then a straight line coming out above the head curling off. Then we draw the same thing on the other side and now we have the butterfly's antennas. We add some sideway line details on the butterfly's body. And we move on to decorating the wings. I like to draw smaller curves on the inside of the butterfly's wings. Just follow the curves that you have already drawn. Now there's no right or wrong way to decorate the butterfly's wings. Let's try some sideway raindrops. We draw 3 on one side. And let's try matching it on the other side. Maybe we can add some bubbles on the lower wings. And now we have a butterfly. Let's try another one. Maybe a fancier butterfly. Like before, we start off with a circle in the middle for the head and two lines coming out underneath the head, and we join those lines to close off the body. For the wings, rather than doing one big curve for each of the wings, this time we add 3 bumps to each of the wings. We do the same for the lower wings too. 1, 2, 3 bumps. Then we add 2 small circles for the eyes and draw a line coming up over the head and curling off. And we do the same on the other side, but maybe try a smaller one. Now we've got antennas. Then we add 2 straight lines to the black eyes to add some eyelashes to the butterfly. Now time for decoration. Like before, I like to draw the same shape along the inner side of each of the wings. Oh, and let's not forget the sideway lines for the body. And how shall we decorate this time? I know, we can add some circles on the outer side of the wing. And for the inner side, let's draw some squiggly lines. And to finish off, let's splatter some random black spots all over the wings. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to decorate butterflies. Let's draw some hearts in there for fun. And now we have completed another fancy butterfly.